Welcome back to our virtual programming. Today, we will be making a virtual steam handprint baby chick craft. So let's get started. So what you're going to need for this video is yellow and orange construction paper, plain white paper, a black marker, googly eyes, feathers, a glue stick, scissors, and a pencil. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to make the body of the chick, and you're going to take your hand and trace your handprint onto the yellow paper. Now I used my pencil and I went a little bit over my fingers in some areas because I didn't want it to be so thin in some areas, so you can do that. And I'm just going to seal up my handprint, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut it out. So now what you're going to want to do is take your plain white piece of paper and line it up with the handprint that you just made, and draw a semicircle, or kind of like the bottom of an egg shape. This is going to be the egg that the chick is hatching from. So you can see I kind of made a semicircle, kind of bottom of the egg kind of look, and I'm just going to use my black marker and go over that. And then I am going to cut that out. And then I am going to make little zigzags in the egg, just like the chick is hatching from it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making little imperfections with zigzags, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut it out. So now we're going to take the hatched egg that we just cut out, and we're going to glue it down onto our handprint. Just going to take my glue stick here and glue it down. And because the egg is a little bit overlapped on the ends, like it's longer than the handprint, you'll see it gets sticky, and I'll show you guys with my hand. So it does get sticky on the edges. So now I am going to attach on the eyes for my chick. Just adding 2 small circles of glue will do fine for this, and you're just gonna push down the eyes and put them in place. Then you're gonna get your little piece of orange construction paper for the beak of the chick, and I'm just gonna make a little triangle. I'm gonna cut out a little triangle beak for it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix it because I didn't like the way it looked. So that's what you're going to see me do, and I'm going to speed up the video. But ultimately, you're just cutting out a small orange triangle beak, and then you're going to glue it down. And yeah. And I wanted to readjust the eyes as well, so you'll see me do that here. Now I'm just making the small black eyebrows, and you can just do that by making a line, 2 short little lines above the eyes in sort of a diagonal motion upwards. So now I'm putting the feathers onto the chick, and the idea is you kind of want to make the chick look as full and fluffy as possible, right? So there's a big gap between my finger and thumb there, so I'm going to put a feather there, and I'm going to kind of have the same idea with all the rest of the feathers. Try to fill it out and make it look as full as I can. And I actually take 1 feather and I make it 2 to fill it out more. But you're just going to glue it down. And I trimmed it up a little bit too. But that's basically it. Let me know what you guys thought. Bye.